Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. So as you can see, I am sat in the 2010 Audi A1 TDI Sport that we just picked up from Copart. Well, I say pick up, they delivered it to me about a week ago and we are just about to get working on it. So before I get started, I wanted to give a massive thank you for all the support on the videos I've posted this year so far. You have smashed it on the likes, you smashed it on the comments, and the subscribers are going up by the day. So I'd like to thank you all so much for the support. And I hope you're all looking forward to seeing what I am about to show you. So let's get into it, guys. So what we picked up, guys, is this stunning 2010 Audi A1 TDI Sport. So what we've got damage wise is this wing that just needs either replacing or repairing. I think we're going to repair it just to keep costs down. We have got a little scrape on the rear bumper, a little scuff, and a vertical crease in the rear bumper, which we're going to tidy up. So we're going to take these two panels off. Rest of the body is A1, get it? But the rest of the car is actually stunning. I'll do a few little slow-mo action shot videos. It needs a clean, of course. Lovely interior. Shame about things like that, cigarette burns. That really does stress me out on cars. Like, why are you putting cigarettes down on a lovely A1? But yeah, obviously needs a valet. We've got 5 gears. Ooh. 5 gears. We've got 88,000 on the clock. We have got a lovely sat nav sort of screen there that pops down. Lovely seats. I can't complain about the interior apart from that cigarette burn. Obviously needs a clean, but it's a really clean car. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. Ooh, straight away. But yeah, like I said, we've got the 1.6 TDI engine. Runs like a dream. I don't think we need to do any service into it. It's got about 6 months MOT left on it. I could put on a fresh one just for the new owner, just to get it more saleable. But we've got a really clean car here. Of course, unrecorded, I have paid quite a premium price for it, and in my sort of haste of the bidding war, I actually bid a little too much. Well, not a little too much, but a little over what I wanted to pay. And I did not realise I made a rookie error on this one. We actually got this from Sandwich, which is about 260 miles away from me. And I didn't plan the delivery, so I had to pay Copart delivery prices, and it was a big gouge out of my budget. Let's just say that. We still got some money in it. I did make some schoolboy errors on this one, but I did get a little too excited about it, as I just wanted to get a project through the doors. And that's where we are, guys. We've still got money to make, and this is going to be the quickest flip on this channel. We have got the Audi A1, we've still got the Corsa, we're working on the Beamer. Second episode's coming out straight away as I get moving on this one. So we are just going to get started on this straight away. step 1 complete. We have got the rear bumper off. I had to buy a new set of deep sockets, as this was the 10mm I had, which was just for the 1/4 inch I believe, and I had to buy the next size up, as I had to get these nuts off, which were deep in these holes on. For some reason, the longest sort of bolt with the tiniest bit of thread, which didn't make any sense to me, and you had to get, well, to be safe, I used my magnetic sort of tool here just to go through and catch the nut. It was so awkward, but we finally got it off. The rest of it was pretty easy to get off. It was just these T20 bits all dotted around the side and underneath the bumper. Honestly, one of the simplest jobs, but I just didn't have the correct socket to get the those nuts off. But yeah, just 3 little clips then into the quarter panels, and it comes right off. And we'll just crack on with this wing now, guys. Here we are, guys. We finally got the wing off. This was quite awkward, I will be honest. There is quite a few bolts that go into securing this onto the car, and you can see these bolts here. These were a bit of a nightmare. I made sure to clean out the actual hole where the bolt goes, as you will end up rounding them off, and I nearly did, as you can see almost there. Sorry, the light's awful, but you've got 2 down there, you've got 2 nuts here, but you've also got a plastic cover that you need to pop out the plastic poppers from the inside of the door, and then you've got 3 along there. You've also got to undo the fender, the arch liner, I apologize, and you've also got a bolt here, like a nice H5. Oh, sorry, the battery's going on the light, and you've got a H5 bit that slots into the wing from that way. So bit of a long one, but we finally got it out, guys. So guys, that is the end of the first episode on the Audi A1. We've got the panels at the back of the Corsa. A van is pending. I am looking, as I've outgrown this Corsa. We are doing too much work really on these cars to carry around such big panels in the back of my small little hatchbacks, so I am looking for a van now. So we're gonna get these prepped and painted in the next episode, so that's what you can look forward to. I really want to get a really good video of us applying the paint, a good video on us literally sanding, getting all the defects out of the bumper and the wing, so you can all sort of learn. I'll go through it as best as I can with my mate that is spraying them for me, and hopefully I'll get my hands on the gun and get a good video of me spraying the panels, as I do really want to develop my skills in any way I can, with anything I can, honestly. So that's where we're gonna end it out. So thank you very much for watching. If you've made it this far in the video, please like, share and subscribe. As always, thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys.